Welcome back, guys, and in today's video we're going to be having an introduction to Redux. So you must be wondering, what is Redux? So it's a predictable state container for JavaScript apps, and it also helps you to write applications that behave consistently, run in a different environments such as client, server, or native. My bad, and are easy to test. While you can use Redux with any Vue library, it's introduced here before being combined with React. So I really hope that you understood what is Redux and was used with and in different environments. In the next video, we're going to be jumping in the first Redux challenge. So stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video.